Hey everybody, happy last week of the semester. Just wanted to kind of update you about a couple things related to how things are going to work for this week and some of your remaining assignments on Edmentum. So the first thing that I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of is because of the timing and kind of shortening things down from what the original end of the semester was going to be. Um, we're going to modify a little bit what activities you're supposed to do related to the last unit. So originally, like if you looked at all your curriculum at the beginning, there are basically two activities for unit number three. There was a course activity, and then there was a research and inquiry kind of unit activity that was basically writing a research paper and developing a short presentation. What we're going to end up doing on that is the course activity that should already have been omitted. So if you see something that says course activity for unit three, let me know because that shouldn't be showing up on your screen anymore. And according to what I can see, it shouldn't be, but the teacher and student interface of this program are a little bit different. So if you see it, let me know or disregard it. The other part, the research and inquiry, the unit activity, given that we're kind of coming down to crunch time here, what I've decided to do on that is the presentation component is not required for anybody. The essay component, I've decided for unit three that I'm going to make that activity an extra credit assignment. In other words, it's going to stay posted, and if you do complete it, you will get points for it. Um, but it's going to be scored out of zero. So it would basically be something that goes in that's basically kind of meant to bolster your grade a little bit. If you find that you've got a lot of stuff from the last couple weeks, loose ends that still need to get done, um, and you're like, you know what, I think it's better to focus my energy on trying to complete that stuff than the extra credit. That's fine by me. But if you do complete the inquiry and research activity for Unit Three, you'll get credit for it, kind of just as an extra credit score. Speaking of older stuff, just to make sure that you kind of keep an eye on your deadlines here. It is Tuesday right now with the 3-day weekend, and the semester is technically over at 11:59 on Friday. That being said, um, if you are running a little bit behind and something happens and you are not able to finish everything by Friday, um, kind of my plan is to start trying to finalize grades on Monday. So do reach out. I can probably keep things unlocked for you a little bit longer if need be. I just kind of need to know what you need from me in order to make that happen. Um, but once we get to Monday, then it's done. At that point, I need to start plugging grades in. As many of you know, I'm kind of backlogged mainly because I'm just kind of waiting for things to come in from everybody before I start going through and score. So I'm going to need a couple days to actually go through and review everything and make sure my grades are updated and good to go. Um, Also, don't forget about your independent reading project. That's been kind of out there on the horizon. Several of you have already submitted it, which is good. But don't forget that you do need to submit that by 11:59 on Friday as well. Other than that, I think it's a pretty straightforward week. Let me know if you have any questions. I miss you guys. I it I hope that when you guys become sophomores and juniors and seniors, that all of us are going to kind of look back at this time and be like, wow, that was a really unusual time, and it's good that we were all able to kind of band together and get through it. But it's also a time that kind of makes us appreciate when things are normal and when we actually get to see each other and stuff like that. Um, it's been really fun to be your guys' teacher this year. It hasn't been that fun for the last few weeks, to be honest. But the part up until March was it was a really fun class for me. I hope it was a fun class for you as well. Um, so on that note, reach out if you need anything. Submit your stuff. Let me know if you're going to be late. Um, Hang in there, and congratulations on making it to the end of your freshman year. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys wandering around the halls in August or whenever it ends up being. All right, take care, you guys. Bye.